Righto everyone, Sad the Arvo, heading out to Thomas. Caddy's come along for the trip. He's fully equipped now, he's got his UHF radio installed. Now we can't shut him up, or he wants to talk the whole way out here. God, blimey. Anyway, we're in for a big night. Raymond's leading the expedition again. All ready to rock and roll, Raymond?
Yeah, I got about 20 all round.
20 all round?
Yeah.
Rightio.
A little bit harder than normal.
So it's low tide when we get there, so we'll see how we go, eh?
Yeah, should be cruisy. Low tide like that.
Good. That wind's dying off, the ocean's pretty calm here. Oh, we might be in for a bit of a haul tonight. I'm thinking a gummy tonight. Raymond wants a couple of mulloway. Caddy be happy with a dirty old salmon. Quite overcast this afternoon. When we left town it was nice and sunny. Anyway, we're set up for the night. Caddy's in for a big night, he reckons. He's hanging out to catch his first gummy shark. Let's see how he goes. We're not sure here, but we've had another strike, Caddy. Might be another false alarm, but we're not sure. You'll get the bites though.
Yeah.
Oh well, keep going. Well, about 10 minutes ago, Caddy's line got cut off. So I put the drone up and spotted a massive stingray. And I think Raymond might have caught it.
Bloody hell.
I knew you wanted to catch it.
You're going to make me piss.
I knew you wanted to catch it.
Where's Tyson when you need him?
Oh, yeah, he'll be waiting at home ready to eat it. Go and have a beer, mate. Just let it go. Fucking hell. Whoa! Oh man. Yeah, there it is there, Raymond. You can see it.
Not far out, eh?
Oh, get off, did it?
Yeah.
Well, it looks like we're finally at a strike here. It's about 20 past 10 at night. Raymond's come good. Oh, I think it's a mulloway, Raymond. Oh, it's a big mulloway. Oh man, check it out. Woo! Awesome. Oh, it's a good 800 to 900 mil. Look at that. Oh, fantastic. Well, lads.
I think it's a little bit smaller.
A little bit smaller than the last one.
It's a nice fish.
It's after probably about 11:30 at night. It's starting to get a bit weary. And Raymond struck again. Well, Taylor, I think it's a Taylor, Raymond.
You're right.
Oh, this is just unreal. 7 AM, the wind's at our backs now. Absolutely sensational day. Oh, fine. Slept right on the beach. Caddy's still asleep. Oh, it's a bit of a shame to be going home. The weather's sensational. Just awesome. Got a nice 800mm Holloway last night and a Taylor. So no, we did alright. Oh, the water's so clear you want to drink it.